Congratulations, Oboth, for being elected the Speaker of Ugandan Parliament. Congratulations, Thomas Tayebwa, for being elected Deputy Speaker of Parliament. Thomas Tayebwa, I heard you saying you have forgiven me, that you sent me a message forgiving me. Maybe you don't have that on your phone, but that aside, Satan cannot forgive an angel. You have abused public funds. You should have been under house arrest with Anita, but because you are from the chosen tribes, you are out large there. You are a cheat. You forgive me. I serve the living God. I don't serve human being. I serve God. I speak for justice. Let me remind you so that Ugandans can also forgive you. In May 2024, you picked a helicopter hired by Parliament of Uganda. You went to Western Uganda. You called for the military helicopter. They said it is 7 p.m. They cannot fly. That helicopter is late. But to show power, because you are with 3 girls with big nyash, you called for the second helicopter. That helicopter crashed because of bad visibility, and you could not listen to the pilot's advice. You caused Uganda government 3.6 billion shillings because of having a high libido and showing political prowess. This is on record, and the taxpayers are suffering. There are no medicines in Koboko Health Center, no medicine in Kashari Health Center. People are struggling to pay school fees, and you steal public funds with impunity, and then you come and say you have forgiven me, who has not stolen. We serve the living God. Uganda is here. We are watching. You better be friends with Ugandans, because this regime will definitely end. And you are a young man, and we shall look for you. Those houses you have built in a normal government where some of us are presidents will be nationalized and given to the poor people. So I wish you well in these 5 years as a deputy speaker. Stealing has now been made a very risky business. You have stolen yours, you have kept in the pocket. We wish you well. But the God who made this world, the God of justice, the God of our ancestors, will pay you for playing with taxpayers' money. When teachers are earning 600,000, they will pay you in a currency deserve. I wish you well. I don't know whether I've forgiven you, but I wish you well.